Want to replace your dishwasher's spray arm? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new spray arm. Step 1. Remove the basket from the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher and remove the lower basket. Step 2. Disconnect the old spray arm. The spray arm is attached with a click system. You can easily remove it by pulling the spray arm upwards. The upper spray arm is often attached with a latch. Step 3. Insert the new spray arm. Push the new spray arm back in place where the old one was. Tighten the latch if necessary. Step 4. Place the basket back in the dishwasher. You have replaced the spray arm and the dishwasher is ready to use again.